What is the purpose? If I'm not this body, by the way, one of the first things I was told in conversations with God is you're not your body. Your body is something you have, it's not something you are. Now it's got to be old news, but 15 years ago, that was brand new for me. Okay, I'm not my body. Then God said, you're not your mind. Okay, I'm not my body, I'm not my mind. Then God said, you're not even what you think of as your soul. You're not even that. That's another idea you have, that you are your soul. Okay, great. I said, then who am I? God said, isn't that an interesting question? Why don't you tell me? And I said to God, no, you know the answer. And God said to me, no, you know the answer. And I said to God, no, I'm really coming to you to tell me. And God says, no, I'm really coming to you to tell me. See, and what God said to me was, the difficulty here, Neil, is that you are convinced that you and I are separate, that you're something other than me. Only when you're clear that you are nothing other than me will you understand that I don't have your answer. You have your answer. But you may be whatever you choose to be. You may have whatever you choose to have. You may do whatever you choose to do. Such is the wonder and the glory of life that you may create all of it as you wish. And so I thought, wow, but why? You know, that was the question I asked. If I'm none of all of this, and all these things are happening to me, and the exterior world, and you know, the events, the tragedies of life in general out there, in my own life, why must it be so hard? Why must it be so difficult? What am I doing here? And God said, being me. For me, the answer that I got, Eckhart, was the answer to the eternal question, why, was you exist in your present form that I might know myself through you and through all of life.